What's up, YouTube? We back at the colony. It's your boy A&T, and today I want to share with y'all 2 performance upgrade. It was originally going to be 1, but I was recording it. In the midst of recording it, the weather got really bad, so I decided to wait until the sun came out again. Crazy Georgia weather. I swear we got 12 seasons. I can't even explain it. But first I'm gonna show y'all the clip on that, and then I'm gonna run it back and I'm gonna do the second upgrade and show y'all the install and the before and after video on that. And you know what? Let me just show you clips of the first video. YouTube, it's your boy A&T. I'm back at it again in the gorgeous, the lovely La Coca. You hear me? Woo! Limited, bruh. Hey, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy and everything. You know, me not even really being a truck guy, me getting into the truck scene means a whole lot to me. And I'm just trying to share my experience with you. You know, trying to switch it up, do a little something different, you know what I mean? So today, I got my first performance upgrade in performance, right? It's not really a performance upgrade. It's actually just meant to help with the longevity of the engine. I don't know a whole lot about it. I be on YouTube just like y'all do, but here we go. Got the JLT Catch Can, the oil Catch Can, my bad, 3.0. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm sure y'all will get by. Y'all already seen it like a million times. I'm just, you know, I'm just joining the train, you feel me? But had to get the billet silver, and you know, to go along with the chrome that I want to do with this car and everything. And you know what? Let's just get to it. Get to installing this thing, and let's see where we go from there. All right, guys. So from my understanding, it's supposed to be a real simple install. Supposed to take off the hood. Got a little adapter right there. Got 2 little tubes under there. It's supposed to be a 5-minute job. So let me set up the camera. Actually, let me set the camera up over here. Seem like a better angle. I'm just gonna give it to y'all raw, cause you know, ain't no photographer. All right, so first thing first, we need to take out the engine cover. Like I said, has 2 little bolts. One right here, one right here. You take them off, engine cover off. Next thing I want to do is take out this bag right here. It has a mount and some screws in it, and I'm going to place it right here on this little attachment. It's supposed to be a little clip-on. So the clip-on is right here. What I need to do is I need to take this out, and basically I just got a screwdriver because I don't have a real clip-on, and I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna put the mount in there as instructed to do so. So I got a little J-clip mount that it wants me to put right here. I got that installed. Now it says that it wants me to use 2 of these bolts. One for here, one for here, and it wants me to drill a hole through here, but it says it's optional but recommended. I'm not gonna do it. Maybe later if I feel like it's not holding tight enough, I'll do it. But right now, I just want to get this thing installed and make sure it's working and everything. So it says y'all can probably hear it, the rain, it started to rain, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. Fortunately, I'm in the carport. So I just used the 3/8 on that, but the 3/8 is not the right size, y'all. It's probably a little size bigger. I'm not really sure about it like that. Oh man, this rain is killing me, man. I hope y'all can still hear me. Nah, bro, it's about to start pouring. Damn, it's lightning too. But it's whatever, bro. I'm trying to get this done, you know. I want my upgrade done today. I was way too excited. Finally got it. It's going down, bro. It's going down. Next thing I gotta do is mount it. I got 2 of these little screws right here. I'm gonna mount it on top through here. So from the instructions, I just get it in here and I just find a little thread. Bruh, somebody don't want me to do this today, but I got to. Let me get the other screw, mount that up. Go ahead and get the drill. Tighten that up, make sure it's sitting lovely. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Next thing I'm gonna do is take off these 2 clips. I got 1 clip here, I got 1 clip here. Apparently I'm just supposed to be able to, if you can see it, I'm supposed to be able to just move this gray clip somehow, and then it's supposed to come off. Oh, it's on the bottom. Okay, they didn't tell me it was gonna be on the bottom. So they go one side. So here you can see the gray clip easier. So here is really easy. You just, shit, is that the same one? Yeah, that's the same one. You just press it. You press it like this, and it comes off. So now you see I got my 2 tubes off. This remainder tube, from the suggestion from the dealership, he told me that you never know if they want to void your warranty or not. So before you take it back into the dealership, make sure that you put this back on. So save this, save it. And that's another reason why I didn't want to drill that second hole over there, is because I wanted it to look as stock as possible so that I don't void anything. You know, because we ain't got time to void nothing. Money is money, you feel me? All right, next thing I'm supposed to do is take the left side of this hole, and I just put it on until it it kind of clips, but it doesn't clip really loud, but tug on it just to make sure it's tight. And then I take this other one that's on the right side of it, and I basically just plug it in right here and test it, make sure it's on tight, and that's it. All you gotta do is put your engine cover back on, let it run, and change it. So they said like every 2,000, 3,000 miles, check it. I'm gonna check it a little bit sooner as I'm going along with this truck and this build and everything, and make sure I get an update for you all. And okay, now that you saw that, and trust me, it was thunder and lightning, crazy mess. But now, as you can see, the weather's better, so I want to do a second upgrade. I just received it on Amazon. Give me a second. And it's not nothing major, I'm just kind of testing it right now. But I bought an AEM dry air filter. So it's just a dry air filter replacement, and I'm gonna show y'all the install on that in just a second. Actually, seconds up. Let's get to it, bro. All right, we back and we're in the engine bay right now. This is the air filter. Now, this is supposed to be a really simple job, basically like 2 minutes or less. Very simple. All I have to do, like I said, is pop off this clip right here, and then slide it out. It has like little slots in the back. You just slide it out and pull it off to the side. This is the stock air filter. It's probably not gonna be too dirty because I just got the car serviced. Look like they didn't really change it. I don't know, maybe they did. So I'm gonna take this out, chunk it to the side. I'm actually gonna save it just in case because it's not too dirty. And now I have the, trust me, it look a whole lot better actually. It looks like it's, I don't know, man, it just looks like performance. Nah, not really. It's not that big of an upgrade. So I'm just gonna slot this in here like that. make sure it's snug and fit. I'm gonna take the back slots, put it back in place, press it down, and 1, 2 on the clips. Make sure that it's nice and tight and snug. Now, this upgrade is not supposed to do too much for the motor. Maybe like 1 or 2 horsepower. Probably can't even notice it, honestly. And apparently it's supposed to give it more airflow, or allow more airflow. Now, this is a dry air filter. I did a lot of research, and it turns out that oil air filters are probably not the best idea for the twin turbo 3.5 liter, or even the other twin turbo, the 2.7 liter, I believe. So, and this is coming from the service, you know, the dealership. So, I don't know what's gonna change. I'm hoping maybe I got a little different sound. Maybe the turbo will sound a little louder. Maybe they have some, you know, some intake sound or something. But all right, guys, and there you have it. We got the JLT Performance Catch Can installed, and we also have the AEM dry air filter. And I don't know, but I feel like it sounds a little bit louder. It might just be a placebo effect, but I like it. And if I like it, you ain't got no choice but to love it, you dig? So, next performance install, I don't know. Like I said, I've been waiting for y'all to give me some ideas. Please comment ASAP. You know, I'm also looking at lift kits, wheels, and tires. So if you have an idea of how many inches I should lift, or whatever, or what type of rims or tires, or wheels and tires I should look into, you know, keep me informed. I like to know everything. Soon, possibly Saturday, which is tomorrow, I have the cosmetic pieces that I want to put on the outside of the car. And you know, that's another video for another day. Until then, small and big hill, bruh, and we got a whole journey to go. Peace out.